Hi children, today I am going to explain the numbers. Topic name is numbers, 5 and 6 digit numbers. Okay, did you learn 4 digit numbers? Do you know? See here. How many digits are there in this number? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How to read this number? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. These are the places. So we have to read like this. 6,842. This is the 4-digit number. Now how many digits are there? Only 3 digits. Read this number. 842. Do you know all these? Yes, I think you already know these numbers. Now I will explain 5 and 6 digit numbers. A 5 digit number has 5 digits. 6, 3, 8, 4, 1. How many digits are there? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Try to say the place values. Places. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. This is the 5-digit number. This is the 5-digit number. This 6 is in which place? 10,000s place. So, place value is 60,000. 3 is thousands place. So, the place value is 3,000. 8 in hundreds place. The place value is 800. Tens place. 4 tens 41. Like this. 60,000. 3,000. 841. This is the number. Here 1, 4, 8, 3, 6. See here, same number now. How to read this number? 63,841. This is the 5-digit number. Now I am writing here 6-digit number. 6-digit number. How many digits are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will write the places. Ones place. You also try to say. Next. Tens place. After that. Hundreds place. Thousands place. 10,000s place and lakhs. 10,000s place after lakhs place. How to read this number? 2 in which place? Lakhs place. So 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs. 8 in 10,000s place. So 80,000. 4 in thousands place. So 4,000s. 1 in hundreds place. 100. 6 in tens place. 60. 3 ones 3. 2,84,163. This is the number. Okay? Children, observe here. Children, now we learn how to different ways. They are Hindu-Arabic system and international system. This is the place value chart. This is the place value chart in Hindu-Arabic system, and this is the place value chart in international system. How to read the place values in Hindu-Arabic system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. In international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 10,000s after 100,000s. 10,000s after 100,000s in international system. Okay? See here. First, Hindu Arabic system. I already explained just now only, that is in Hindu Arabic system. Hindu Arabic system. Now I will write a number here. Try to say. How many digits are there? 5. First, check the place values. Places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. Lakhs place is there? No. So 10,000. 10,000. 8 is in 10,000s place. 0 is in thousands place. No value to 0. Totally 80,000. What is this? 80,000. This one hundreds or thousands? Hundreds. So 600. 5 in tens. 53. This is the number. In Hindu Arabic system, we keep comma after hundreds place first. After that, in the middle of two digits we keep the comma. Now say the number once again. What is this? 80,000. Say the spelling 80. E-I-G-H-T-Y. 80,000. 80,000 after 606, SIX 600, and this one 53. Spelling 50, F-I-F-T-Y 50, not F-I-V-E-T-Y. Many children are writing like that, F-I-V-E-T-Y. F-I-F-T-Y 50 is the correct. 53, T-H-R-E-E, 53. This is the numeral. 80,600 and 53. This is the number. This is 5-digit number. I will write 6-digit number here. How many digits are there? 6. Say the place values. Places: ones place, tens place, hundreds place. After that, thousands place. After that, 10,000s place. After, lakhs place. Because it is Hindu Arabic system, so this is the lakhs place. First, we keep commas. Hundreds place near hundreds place. After that, between two digits we can keep comma. 1, 2. Okay. Let's read. 4. Which place? Which place here? 4 is in lakhs place. So 4. Say 4 lakhs or thousands? Yes, 4 lakhs. 4 lakh. Next, 3 in tens place. So 38. 38 thousands. 38 thousands. Say the spelling 30. THIRTY. 30,000 or 38,000? Yes, 8 also here. So 38. EIGHT. 38. What 38? Thousands. 38,000. 38,000. After, what is this 2? Which place is here? 100 place. So 200. 100 place. So 100. 200. And what is this number? 63 or 63? 6 tens are 60 plus 3. 63. Not 63. 63. We have to say like that. 63. 100 and 63. This is the 6-digit number in Hindu-Arabic system. Have you understood, children? You must write the place values here. Then you will write easily the number name. Okay? Now I will explain international system. How to write in international system. How many digits are here? 5. Let's write the place values. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place, 10,000s place. 10,000s place. See here international system. Ones, tens, hundreds, here hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. 10,000s. Completed. 5 digits only is there. So we have to write like that. Now I will write it like this. Say 8 is in which place? 10,000s place. So 80,000. 8 tens are 80 now. 80,000, 6,000. Totally 86,425. 86. Hundreds or thousands? Only 10,000s here. 100,000s place not there. So 86,000. 86,000. Next, 4 is in which place? Hundreds. So 400. 400 or 1,000? See here. Is 1,000 place? Is this thousands place? No. This is hundreds place. So 400. This one 25 or 25? 2 tens are 20 now. So 25. We have to say this one 25. 425. TWENTY 25. FIVE 5. See 86,425. Here no change to Hindu-Arabic system and international system. Why? Because 5 digits only is there. 10,000 place only is there. See here I will write. Now I will write 6 digits here. How many digits are there now? 6. Let's write places. Ones place, tens place, next hundreds place, next thousands place, yes, next 10,000s place, next lakhs place. Shall we write here lakhs? No. We write here 100,000s place. Which place is here? 100,000s place. Why? Why? Because it is international system. Now we are writing in international system. So here 100,000s. 100,000s place. In international system we keep comma between three digits. 1, 2, 3. Here we have to keep comma. After two digits, no need, because it is international system. Okay. Now we will write the number. 3 in which place? 100,000s place. 3 100,000s place. That means 3 into 100, 300. 300,000s. 3 into 100, 3,000 no. So we have to read this 386,000. We will read this. Observe carefully, Nana. This is in international system. So 386,000. We have to read like that. See once again. 100,000 means 386. 80,000, 6,000. 386,000 and 532. See, I am writing here. You also try to say 300,000. 386,000. 386. EIGHTY 86. 386 what? Thousands. 386,000. Thousands completed. Next, this one, which place is here? Hundreds place. So 532. Your 5 5 100 32. 30 spelling THIRTY 32. TWO 2. This is the number in international system. We have to observe here carefully. We take 3 digits here. So 386. 386 what? Hundreds or tens or thousands? We already written here thousands. So 386,532. This is the number in international system. Shall we write one more number? Here also 6 digits is there. Say the numbers, place values. Say the places. Ones, after tens, hundreds, thousands. Next, 10,000s. Next, lakhs. No, because this is an international system. This is an international system. So here 100,000s. Comma after 3 digits. Okay. Now let's try to say the number. Number name. 600. 100,000 no. So 600. 10,000 is there. No digit is there. 0. No value. So 600 and 5,000s. Look at 1,000. Here it is 1,000. 600. 5,000. 605 completed. Hundreds or thousands? thousands. 600, 5,000. What is next? 7. 7 in which place? Hundreds place. So 700. 700. 3 in tens place. So 31. 731. This is the number naming international system. 605,731. This is the number. Children, you also prepare 1 or 2 times. You also write some more digits and try to write. Okay? Thank you.